Beans. Humble, quiet, unassuming, and back in the spotlight. According to a New York Post article from November 2024, link in the show notes, Americans are rediscovering the magic of legumes, and for good reason. Beans are the ultimate life hack, affordable, versatile, and packed with protein and fiber to keep you full, energized, and healthy. Science backs it up. Regular bean eaters may gain less weight and store less belly fat. Plus, they're a gift to your gut, feeding the good guys in your microbiome and reducing inflammation. Worried about digestion? An Instant Pot can help make beans easier on your system. Video link in the notes. And here's the best part. Beans can do it all. Toss chickpeas on a salad, mash black beans into burgers, stir lentils into soup, or fill tacos with pinto beans that feel like a warm hug. So if you're eating on a budget, boosting your health, or looking for real satisfying food, beans are here to deliver. One bowl, one bite, one happy gut at a time. If you like learning about living a grain-free lifestyle, we hope to see you here again soon. May you have a glorious, grain-free life.